I've been using a Vitamix blender for quite some time. I have been having issues with it though for this past year, where it's not breaking down the frozen bananas and like the dates and things that I put in. So I'm going to use for the first time today my C2 juicer plus blender machine that I received from Nama. So here's the blender. I'm so excited to see how it's going to work compared to my Vitamix. Here's the top. So I just rinsed everything out, just put a little bit of soap and water, cleaned that up. Here's the base. It's pretty large because it's made to power this high-speed blender, and it also has the juicer attachment. So just like the Nama J2, it's the same kind of juicer attachment, and it just goes up here when you want to juice. But right now, I'm actually going to blend. So I'm going to pour my smoothie mix into my C2 blender. You see those big chunks that are coming down, that plopped down? That's the frozen pieces of banana and dates that did not get broken down when I blended it in the Vitamix. I mean, there could be a few reasons for that. It might need some maintenance. It might, need a part fixed or whatever. I do love Vitamix. I've used them for a super long time. So I don't know what's going on, but I am super excited to have something that is going to work great. So I will snap on the lid here. It's all in here ready to go. This is the first time I'm using it, so bear with me. I think I need to pull this out so the top won't hit the cabinet. Let's set this down. Make sure I'm doing this correctly. Let's see. Oh, okay. I did look at the instructions briefly. There we go. Okay. All right. Okay, let's do this. So that's pretty. Blend, reverse on. Okay, so very different than what I'm used to, of course. So let's do this. Okay, it sounded really good, nice and smooth, not... The other thing that I love just using it right now is that it's kind of quiet. It's not as piercing as the Vitamix, which I absolutely was uncomfortable with. I would have to get some earplugs in. But anyhow, I really liked how gentle that sound was. And I didn't hear any of the items in there like getting broken down. So I think it just broke it down really smoothly. Okay, let's see. I already had some cups that I had poured it into when I made it in the Vitamix, and then I poured it all back into my Vitamix blender. And then I just poured that whole mix into my C2 blender. So let's see. See how smooth this is. I'm so excited to try this. So that's why these cups already have a little coating of this delicious banana date smoothie. All right. Ooh, looks good, and it was very smooth. I'm very pleased. It was very smooth, and clean, and it even broke down all the dates. That's it. I am super excited to start using this. Cheers. All right, so let me tell you real quick. This has organic plant-based milk in it. It has frozen bananas and fresh bananas as well. It has dates. And this powder over here, I'll show you. I just finished having some onions and they kind of get my throat a little. So here it is. This is the one I'm using right now. I love this plant-based superfood protein with all the probiotics, mushrooms, fruit, and greens, and it's vanilla. So this is one, I'm really picky about what I use. I research everything like crazy, all the ingredients, and I will only put the best of the best into my body. So that's one that I do like using. So that's in there, and it's absolutely delicious. I will put my recipe in the description or in the comments if you want to make this. It's absolutely delicious. All right, keep getting healthy, and I will talk to you next time.